Hi all. Let's see how can we generate a payslip for an employee from the ERP. So let's log in using the username and password. So I'm currently logging in as a HR manager, and we will be in this dashboard view. So let's click on this app icon to open all the apps that are available for the HR. And here we have the payroll module, which is we use to generate the payslips for the employee. But before that, we have to configure some documents such as the contracts as well as the salary structure. So these things I already explained in another video, but I will show you again. So for generating or configuring the salary structure, we have to go to the payroll module, open the payroll module, and in the configuration we have this salary structures. So I already created a cashier salary structure, so let's open that. And here we have the name cashier and the reference along with the company. So we are in this Vice Coffee Shop company, and then we can select some salary rules here, such as the basic salary and various allowances such as the house rent, travel, meal, leave, medical, etc. Then also the insurance amount and the net salary. So the insurance amount will be deducted from the net salary, and then these are some salary rules. And then there are other rules such as we can go to configuration salary rules, and here we have the all salary rules that are already configured in the ERP. So we can also go to basic salary. Here we can set the category and the condition. So basic salary should be always applied to a salary structure, so it is selected to always true. Then we can set how can we compute the basic salary, etc. So I have already explained it in another video. Then here we can set the accounting, such as the debit and credit account of this salary rule. So these things can be configured from the payroll configuration from the salary rules. So as we set the salary structure here already, let's go back to employee module to see the contracts. So go to employees. So we are generating the payslip for the test employee demo. So we can open this test employee demo to see the contract. We open the employee, and here we have smart buttons. So these buttons in the top of this form we called smart buttons, and here we can see a contract smart button. But also we can go to employees and contracts to see all the running contracts here. So here we have this test employee demo contract, and it is currently running. It is for started from the first of this year. So let's open the contract, and here we can see all the contract history of this test employee demo. Let's open this current contract. So here we can see test employee demo contract started from first of this year to December 31 of this year, and we can see the monthly wage and the status. So if you open this contract by clicking this icon, here we can see the contract details, and from here we can see the salary structure. So we selected the salary structure as cashier, so that we created earlier. And also the working schedule means the frequency of the wage payment, so how we pay the wage. So let's say we pay the salary weekly, we can set that here, or then there are other details such as monthly, quarterly, etc. Then here we can, in the salary information, we can select that as wage type. So there is monthly wage and a hourly wage. So currently I configured it for monthly fixed wage, so the fixed wage is 1000, and then there is overtime wages such as the 34 and hour wage 12. Then here in this section we can configure various advantages such as the allowances in this for the salary structure of this contract. So after that, save. Now what we can do is go to payroll module, click on create, select the employee. So let's search for the test employee demo, and here let's select the period. So we are generating the payslip for the January month. So let's select the January month here, January 1st and January 31st. So after that, so by selecting the employee itself, this contract and structure details will be automatically populated. And here if you want the working days also will be with the contract will be added here. And in the other inputs, for the insurance amounts which will be deducted from the salary can be entered here. So let's say the insurance amount is 12 for this demonstration. After that we can go to salary computation tab, but as you can see currently it is empty. But what we can do is click on this compute sheet button. So after clicking on the compute sheet button, the salary will be calculated, and we can see the basic salary, which is the fixed wage of the contract, and then there is house, travel allowance, meal allowance, etc. added for this salary, and the insurance amount, which is 12, which is deducted from the salary. Also, if you want to change the insurance amount, let's give it as 10, and if you go back to here, it doesn't change, but we have to click on compute sheet. After that the value is changed, and we can see the final salary here. After that we can click on confirm, so the salary slip will be generated. So that's how we can create a payslip for the employee. Thank you.